How to create Instagram page. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and as you do that, it will lead you to settings and activity. So scroll down, and as you scroll down, you can see the option of account type and tools under for professionals. So tap on it. Here you have two options. You can switch to professional account if you want to turn this particular profile as of now that you have into a page, or you would want to add a new professional account. So I'd like to select on switch to professional account over here. As you do that, you can just get more tools and switch for free. You can just tap on next and you can select what best describes you. So I'm going to select on digital creator, then tap on switch to professional account. Now after this, you can select what type of professional are you. Are you a creator or a business? You can select whichever best defines you, then tap on next and then continue, and here you just have to set up a professional account, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.